Ever wonder if a plant-based diet could change your life? Well, we're here to explore just that. The power of plants is far more profound than you might think. It's not just about crunching on carrot sticks or munching on lettuce leaves. A plant-based diet encompasses a diverse array of foods, including vibrant fruits, nutrient-dense vegetables, hearty whole grains, protein-packed legumes, and delicious nuts and seeds. Imagine a rainbow of foods on your plate, each bursting with flavor and nutritional benefits. You see, plants offer an abundance of essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber that our bodies need to thrive. Plus, there's the added benefit of being able to enjoy a variety of textures and tastes. So, it's not just about health, but also about pleasure and satisfaction. Think about this. What if the key to a healthier life is right in your vegetable drawer? Imagine feeling more energetic, lighter, and healthier. Sounds good, right? The secret to this is not hidden in exotic potions or expensive supplements. It's packed in the vibrant, nutrient-dense world of plant-based foods. Embarking on a plant-based journey can unlock numerous health benefits, some of which are truly transformative. Let's explore these benefits and see how this diet can contribute to your overall well-being. Firstly, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease. These foods are low in saturated fats and high in fiber, helping to lower cholesterol levels and maintain a healthy heart. In fact, studies have shown that a plant-based diet can lower the risk of heart disease by as much as 25%. High blood pressure, a silent killer, is another concern that can be addressed with a plant-based diet. The abundance of potassium in fruits and vegetables acts as a natural antidote to the sodium in our diets, helping to control blood pressure levels. Diabetes, a global epidemic affecting millions, can also be managed and even prevented with a plant-based diet. The high fiber content in plant foods helps regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Certain types of cancer, such as breast and colon cancer, have been linked to meat and dairy consumption. By switching to a plant-based diet, we can lower our risk of these cancers. Now let's talk about weight and energy. Plant-based diets are naturally lower in calories and higher in nutrients, making them an excellent choice for maintaining a healthy weight. Plus, the complex carbohydrates found in plant foods provide a steady source of energy, keeping you fueled throughout the day. So it's clear that a plant-based diet has a lot to offer in terms of health and wellness. But it's not just about preventing illness. It's also about enhancing vitality and living life to the fullest. It's about feeling good inside and out. So, a plant-based diet might not only add years to your life, but also life to your years. But what if I told you the benefits of a plant-based diet extend beyond just your health? Imagine this. We're stepping into a world where we're not just eating for ourselves, but for the health of our planet too. A world where our food choices make a significant impact on the environment. That's the power of a plant-based diet. Let's talk about land use. Did you know that producing meat requires more land than growing plants? In fact, animal agriculture takes up over a third of the Earth's landmass. But if we were to switch to a plant-based diet, we could drastically reduce the amount of land needed for food production. We're talking about freeing up a space larger than the continent of Africa. That's a lot of room for forests and wildlife to thrive. Now let's dive into water usage. It takes a staggering amount of water to produce just 1 pound of beef, around 1,800 gallons. Compare that to the approximately 250 gallons needed for a pound of tofu. Choosing plant-based options can drastically reduce our water footprint. Next up, energy consumption. Producing meat is energy intensive. It requires more fossil fuels and hence releases more carbon dioxide compared to plant production. By switching to a plant-based diet, we can significantly cut down our energy consumption and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. And speaking of greenhouse gases, did you know that livestock farming contributes to nearly 15% of global greenhouse gas emissions? That's more than all cars, planes, and trains combined. Shifting towards a plant-based diet can help curb these emissions and combat climate change. So, you see, every time we choose a plant-based meal, we're not just nourishing our bodies. We're also making a positive impact on our environment. We're using less land, conserving water, saving energy, and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Choosing a plant-based diet is not just a personal health decision, but also a decision to protect our planet. The food on your plate is more powerful than you think. It has the ability to change the world one bite at a time. But wait, where will I get my protein and other essential nutrients? A common question indeed when considering a plant-based diet. Let's dive right in and tackle these misconceptions head on. First, the protein. It's a widespread myth that plants can't provide enough protein. The truth is, many plant-based foods are rich in protein. Lentils, chickpeas, tofu, quinoa, and even green peas pack a powerful protein punch. And no, you don't need to combine foods in each meal to create a complete protein. Your body can assemble the essential amino acids from different foods throughout the day. Now, onto iron. Yes, iron is more readily absorbed from meat, but don't fret, plant lovers. Foods like spinach, beans, dried fruits, and iron-fortified cereals can help keep your iron levels in check. Pair these with vitamin C-rich foods like bell peppers or oranges to boost absorption. Calcium, you ask? It's not just in dairy. Calcium-fortified plant milks, tofu made with calcium sulfate, leafy greens like kale and bok choy, and almonds are all excellent sources. And let's not forget about omega-3 fatty acids, essential for brain health. While fish is often touted as the best source, flax seeds, chia seeds, hemp seeds, and walnuts are all brimming with these vital nutrients. In essence, a well-planned plant-based diet can meet all your nutritional needs. And it's not just about meeting needs, but also about the quality of nutrients. The fiber, antioxidants, and phytonutrients abundant in plant foods are something no animal-based food can offer. Remember, variety is key. Eating a diverse range of fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes will ensure you're getting a broad spectrum of nutrients. So to those contemplating a switch to plant-based eating, don't let the protein and nutrient myth deter you. With a little planning and a sprinkle of culinary creativity, you can enjoy a diet that's not just good for you, but also good for the planet. Nutritious, delicious, and diverse, that's what a plant-based diet is all about. Alright, you've piqued my interest, but how do I start? This is the question that echoes through the minds of many when contemplating a switch to a plant-based diet. The answer is simpler than you might think. The first step is to start small. There's no need to overhaul your entire diet at once. Instead, consider incorporating a plant-based meal into your day. Perhaps start by introducing a plant-based breakfast into your routine. A hearty oatmeal with a medley of fresh fruits and a sprinkle of nuts is a great way to kickstart your day. As you become more comfortable with this, you might find yourself craving more plant-based meals. Gradually increase the frequency, maybe by replacing one meal a day, then two, and so on. This gradual transition will make the change feel less daunting and more sustainable. Next, focus on whole foods. These are foods that are unprocessed or minimally processed, like fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, and nuts. These foods are nutrient powerhouses, packed with the vitamins, minerals, and fiber your body needs to thrive. Don't shy away from trying new recipes either. The plant-based world is rich with a variety of flavors, textures, and culinary experiences waiting to be explored. You'll be surprised how creative you can get with vegetables, grains, and legumes. Also, remember that it's not about perfection, but progress. If you slip up, don't beat yourself up. Instead, use it as a learning experience and move forward. The last piece of advice, but perhaps the most crucial, is to be patient. Transitioning to a plant-based diet is a journey, not a race. It takes time for your taste buds and body to adjust to the new foods and eating patterns. Remember, every meal is a chance to nourish your body. Why not give it the best? You hold the power to your health, and it starts with what's on your plate. As we've discovered, a plant-based diet can be a game changer. Not only can it boost your health and wellness, it can also have a profound impact on our planet. Remember, it's not just about the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that plants provide, but also about reducing our carbon footprint and contributing to a more sustainable future. It's about understanding that every meal is an opportunity to nourish our bodies and make a difference in the world. And let's not forget, it's not about being perfect. It's about making conscious, healthier food choices more often. It's about progress, not perfection. Small changes can lead to big results over time. So let's embrace this journey together. Every step you take towards a plant-based diet is a step towards better health and a greener earth. So, are you ready to make the switch and embrace the power of plants?